talking, they force me to talk him. I begin to the talk to Kasala go boss. I be no one talking, they force me to talk him. I begin to the talk to Kasala go boss. I be no one talking, they force me to talk him. I begin to the talk to Kasala go boss. I be no one talking, they force me to talk him.
Maybe they can't sell inside there.
Right away, slaves. Action. Alright. Ready, clear.
Africa. Ooh, yeah.
Falling heroes, see them again. Falling heroes, feeling the pain. Falling heroes.
Maybe they can't sell inside.
Where?
You don't see how? Oh, that's the cow.
Yeah, okay, right there.
It's the boss. Wait now. My boy. Show. Well, Daddy. Please. I'm on the phone when you call it destiny. I'm on the phone when you call it.
So we are over of our move on the stage, and then our clinic day. Just after first gate, when they go. Yes, thank you very much. You can take it. You see, Ukoko, when you are going to Ukoko, the next bus stop is Moshalashi bus stop. Just drop the cross over the express, and that road, Moshalashi, just follow the road. You will reach Kodojo Road. When you get to Kodojo Road, from there you will see the upper palace right in front of you. Just by the left-hand side, you will find our clinic, number 3, and you can touch me. Here I have my hand bills. And people, it's not easy for Lagos to survive Lagos. Now walk. See, in this place we have my hand bills, our telephone number, and our address are here.
It's cool, nice and decent. This is Squeeze, baby.
Chilling.
Squeeze, you know what I'm saying?
Representing Niger.
Yeah, man. Chilling. And this is my lovely friend here, you know.
Yeah.
Everything is nice, man.
Peace,
yeah,
man.
go. Chilling.
Rock steady.
Never release. Put her for back. Abacha don't die. Jesus don't come. Okadibo don't go. I don't come. Oh Lord.
Bá lówó ni wà kàn mú $50 lẹ̀ wá ní ẹ̀rọ wọn kan
the close up on you.
Èdùmàrè tó ń gbé ayọ̀ tó dé ga fádàkùn á máa yìnrẹ́ fádà sílẹ̀ lọ́lọ́ọ̀bù oníṣẹ́ ńlá báwa bolúwa ẹ̀ ní tanáwo sàárè ọmọ ẹ̀nà ọba pé bàbá.
Olóyè ọmọ owó ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá jọ làbẹ́kẹ́ máa níjà wa màdámà yára ìjà ẹkú bí ọ̀gàjù wọn lọ tẹ́lẹ̀ ojú ni wọn. Ẹ̀rọ bí sí ọ onídèrè o ọ̀gá yẹn ló ẹ̀rọ bí sí ọ onídèrè o. Ẹ̀yà bá ní bòbí máa rì wọ́n bá ń gbé èrú wọn ipò ọmọdé ọ̀ka ní oṣù òde wọ́ o. Yẹ́lò iná tí wọ́n dá kò é ṣe fún wọn rárá. Iná tí wọ́n dá o kò é ṣe fún wọn rárá. Wọ́n kẹ́yẹ mọ́gbó ẹ̀fì iná jókòó yíká. Àkéwọ́dù ẹlẹ́ẹ̀fẹ́ ti máa lè jáde. O tí ò lè bọ́ sí òun ni wọ́n á wọlé. Wọ́n lé ọtí sí olúwa ò fún wa ṣe. Àyànmá ògbó orílẹ̀ lẹ́jọ́. Awuyewuye ọ̀gá yẹ́lò. Awuyewuye àròyé ọ̀tẹ̀. A ò pé ẹ̀ẹ́dùn tó ìlú làní ẹ̀dùn ṣe. Òkè pa wọ́n padà lọ jíṣẹ́ o. Òkè pa wọ́n padà lọ. Bọ́wọ́ bá tọ́ta rẹ̀ kẹ́míkà ti ṣe o. Bọ́wọ́ bá tọ́ta rẹ̀ kẹ́míkà ti ṣe. Kákó wọn lọ sí Sómólú. Kájú wọn bọ̀ fá. Kágbó wọn lọ sí Ìkòyí. Kágbó wọn dàṣẹ́ wọn.
Baby girl, kí ló desire? Sí òrèké lẹ́wà. Pàtí mo bá sọ fún pé kó wà fẹ́ wá oṣù lọ́la. Òrèké lẹ́wà. Mr. Mo Desire.
Orekelewa.
Wọ́n ní kó wá ṣayẹwo.
Orekelewa.
Na the beast.
You're on, right? You're on. Alright, then. Yo, see, for those of you who don't know me, this is Malam Spicy, live and direct on your TV screen, right? See, I'm chilling right now with Baba T, live in Lagos, LA, as you can see, you know, Nigeria, Africa, you know, well, that's where I am. This is Malam Spicy, Tribunal, you know,
upon your ways, man.
Dancehall music, you know, so just watch out for Tribunal, you know. Tribunal is a big thing, a big movement, positive movement for the upliftment of African people, you understand me? So just feel me, see, these are remix, you know, because, you know, no boy them in foreign yard, some hip-hop music, they just come and do music like, you know, but hip-hop music really is not really doing anything in Africa, you know. So I just want to say something to some boy them, you're not so no, say, see, so you need to be motherfuckers, your niggas ain't shit, now we know why, say you be motherfucker, say, 50 cents you be motherfucker, your niggas ain't shit, now I know why, you big motherfucker. Talk about your bling bling. Wait consign me about your bling bling. Fuck man. Yo man, I'm spicy there so. Yo, chilling with Baba T.
Runaway slaves. Action.
I hope you people are
listening to
everything. It's like a message spreading across the globe. Like me, I'm Wally by name.
Falling heroes in the gate. Falling heroes in the pain. Falling heroes in the game. Falling heroes in the game. Back in the day, so money, this people, Baba, baby, so drama, better fella, prophesizer, more suffering, a smiling, coming never see it coming. War of Kiwa, expose it, much heroes, secret, got let to bomb it, and just like
When will the final of the French League Cup take place? May 17th. Monica Seles has been out of action with a right foot stress fracture for how many weeks now? 7 weeks. So that brother that said last year, get to know, just 7 weeks, okay? Who won the female contest at the Family Circle Tennis Cup last week? Justin Hemen Harden, okay?
Ẹ wo Fájuyì ó kú nítorí pàdí talẹ́ni tó lè ṣe yẹn láyé ń bí Fúnmi Rason Kuti first woman tó kọ́ local ní Naija orin Bọ́lá tó pè sílẹ̀ ọdún gbì many things dey happen for Naija abeg make our leaders make dem do am better Delegiwa was born by true letter bomb blast pàdípà BRG KLIZ ló hálà abájọ ní ẹgbàá lọ́wọ́ ìjọba alágbádá.
Yeah. Yo, say, come on. Baby, you're my lady. Baby, you're my lady. Baby, you're my lady. Baby, you're my lady. Yeah. I want it, I got it, and I cannot do without it. Girl, you're so special to me, 'cause the way that you do your thing makes me feel like a king beside a beautiful queen. Girl, I'm gonna do anything. I go sing to the world, you're my queen. Nobody's gonna take your place, baby. Say when the wind blow, girl, I smell your perfume. When we'll be making love, I gonna make sure I put my baby in your womb. 'Cause you're my lady, baby. You're my baby. Shorty, you're my baby. You're my. You know. So sometimes it's like rewinding back a hand of time. When you're far from me, it's like a candle in the wind, baby. Girl, I cannot live without you, cause you were my other part. And I'm gonna do everything just to win your heart. Baby, I'll take you to the place you've never seen. And I pray to God to guide you. Long life, me and you. Be my tree and I'll climb you, cause you are my baby boo. Ooh. You know, you're my lady. So that's how it goes, man.
Yo, this is Rocksteady. Catch me on jujufilm.tv. Live, chilling. Yeah, man.
Keep my privacy.
Okay.
It's not everything I want to shoot.
Okay.
So, could you shut the stuff? Shut it. Thank you.
Don't shut the shit.
Yeah, just shut it, man.
It's all good.